Hi, this is Monique. Welcome to my channel. I do videos on this channel at least 3 times a week, and they're usually how-to videos or reviews. So if you like my videos, check me out on Instagram. Please subscribe, leave a like, and hit the notification bell below. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the slow motion tool in iMovie. So keep watching. Okay, so I have a couple of slow motion videos that are loaded here. So I'm going to show you basically 2 ways to use slow motion in iMovie. I've just recorded a couple little videos on some shoes, random shoes that I have in the house. And I'm just going to show you how to make them into slow motion videos. So basically you can go on your iPhone or whatever phone you're using and you can turn those videos, like you can shoot them as slow motion videos. So this one I have shot as a slow motion video. Slow motion videos give your videos this cool kind of aesthetic look. Kind of focuses on some sort of product that you're trying to show off. So I like to use the clips that are slow motion every now and then. So this second one is another slow motion one, but I'm just gonna change the perspective so that it's this direction so you can see. And like I said, I shot these with the slow motion option when I was taking a video on my iPhone. So if I was gonna show off this shoe in a video or something on my Instagram, I'd probably use this clip. So if I want, say, this one ultra slow, I click on the clip. Then I go to this little thing that looks like a stopwatch. It's called speed. And then I go to the left, and right now it's set on normal speed. So the speed that the clip comes into iMovie with. Drop it down to slow. Now there are a couple different options. There's like 10%, 25%, 50%, and auto. So right now it's on 50%. So let's just see what it looks like compared to before. So it was a little shaky at first, but now it's like super slow. So I'm going to change it now. I'm going to change it to like 10%. And you can definitely see the difference. Where that was kind of like jumpy at the beginning of the clip, now it's just like super, super, super slow. So nobody's going to want to watch that. So we can jump it to 25% instead. Even then it's kind of slow. And then we'll go back to 50%. So you can also drop down to like custom and then put in how much ever percent that you want. Say like, 79% or something like that, right? Let's go to the beginning. Press the space bar to play it. And that's the slow motion effect. So I'm going to see if I have a clip in here where it's actually live. So this is me walking on the treadmill. So I'm just going to click on this and drag it down. Oops. Double click. Drag it down. So this is a clip of me walking on the treadmill. At regular speed. So I'm just going to go here, change it so that it's right side up. There we go. And let's just get rid of the volume here. So let's play that clip. Okay, so I want to show you how slow motion works with like regular speed now. Let's go to here. Click on our clip, do the same thing, go up to speed. It's on normal right now. Now we want to go to slow. So we're going to see what it looks like in slow motion now. Pause it, go back, see the difference. Right now that one was like 50%, so let's go to 10%. That's super slow. %. and then 50%. This video has been about how to use slow motion in iMovie. Please subscribe to this channel. Help me get to 500 subscribers by the end of the month. I'll see you on the next one.